Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. H. For today, we will be learning how to graph linear inequalities with one variable. But first, we have to take a look at the inequality symbols and some important things that we need to remember in graphing inequalities. So first, the inequality symbols. So the first group right here, which has greater than symbol and less than symbol, tells you that your graph of inequality will have an open or hollow circle. And for the next group, so we have the first one, which tells greater than or equal to and less than or equal to symbol. So if you see either of these symbols in an inequality, definitely your graph should have a closed or solid circle. To further understand this, let's take a look at the first example. Graph the given inequality 4x minus 23 greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 12. So first, in order for us to graph the inequality, we need to solve for it. So solving, we put all the terms with x on the left-hand side. So 4x we just copy. Negative 3x jumps over to the left-hand side. So from negative, it will become positive. Copy the inequality symbol. So 12 is already on the right, so just copy it. However, negative 23 needs to jump over to the right-hand side. So from negative 23, it will become positive 23. And then carry on simplifying. So 4x plus 3x is 7x. Greater than or equal to 12 plus 23 is 35. So to find x, definitely we need to apply the division property of inequality. So by dividing both sides by 7, and we will find the x is greater than or equal to 5. After solving, so this is where we will base our graph. So it says x is greater than or equal to 5. So definitely we're looking at numbers from 5, 6, 7, 8, so on and so forth. So to graph this, so draw a number line, horizontal number line, and then take 5. And then because the symbol is greater than or equal to, based on what we discussed earlier, you will have closed or solid circle, and then all the way to the right. So this is the graph of the inequality. So 5 is included. That's why you have a closed and solid circle all the way to the right. So the numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way to the positive infinity. Example number 2. Graph the given inequality. So whatever the steps we did in example 1, so definitely we're going to be doing the same thing here. So negative 6x stays on the left. Positive 8x jumps over to the left. So from positive, it will become negative. So applying the subtraction property of inequality. And then you have the symbol, initial symbol, which is greater than. Copy 25. You're not moving it. However, negative 17 jumps over to the right. So from negative will become positive. So here we're applying the addition property of inequality by adding 17 on both sides. So carry on simplifying. So negative 6x minus 8x is negative 14x. greater than 25 plus 17 is 42. So in order for us to find the value of x, we need to divide both sides by negative 14. Then this become 1. Then x. Now, since we divided a negative coefficient or a negative number, so the rule for inequality is whenever you multiply or divide a negative number, the symbol of inequality switches to the opposite. So since we divided a negative number from greater than, it will become less than. Then 42 divided by negative 14 is negative 3. So this is our solution. So what are the integer values that fall into the solution? So x is less than negative 3. So negative 3 is not included. So we're looking at numbers that are lower than negative 3. That starts from negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on and so forth. The number line. So draw a horizontal line. And then take negative 3. And since the symbol is less than, based on what we discussed earlier, this is going to be an open or hollow circle because negative 3 is not included in the solution set. And then all the way to the left, where the integer values are that are lower than negative 3. And that is the graph of the inequality. Okay, and for your challenge, so please grab your pen and paper and answer this question. Solve and graph the given inequality. Once you have your final answer, please remember to leave a comment below. And remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.